Welcome to this inviting custom home in the heart of West Lynn's Willamette area, close to parks, rivers, shops, cafes, and views of Pete's Mountain. It's thoughtfully designed with expansive porch and patio spaces for entertaining on a large 13,000 square foot lot. Quality construction and Northwest Craftsman style carries from the expansive front porch to the interior. From the hand-scraped hardwood floors to the beautiful finishes, no detail is overlooked. The great room floor plan offers the perfect balance of casual and formal spaces. It opens to the chef's kitchen with stainless appliances, double ovens with a pot filler, entertainer's island, a walk-in pantry, and much more. Host family and friends in the spacious formal dining room. You'll also find a main floor office or bedroom. Upstairs offers a generous vaulted master suite. Relax and unwind in the spa-inspired master bath with a glass-enclosed shower and garden tub. The walk-in closet features a stackable washer and dryer plus a laundry chute. You'll find 3 more generous bedrooms with closet organizers in this home of more than 3,900 square feet. Enjoy an inviting lower level, complete with a family room and full bath. The oversized 3-car garage includes an enclosed tandem 4th bay, offering so many possibilities, from a gym to a wine cellar. French doors lead to the private stone patio, a covered barbecue area in a tranquil setting. All surrounded by professional, easy care landscaping. Other features include a central vacuum system, Wi-Fi hub, and built-in speakers. A gorgeous custom home in a fantastic location. It's all here, ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or your personal tour, please contact Roberta and Stephen Nopson at 503-939-8025.